Are you sure you're ready for this?
I'm ready.
You're my eldest fallen leaves, the first of mine to face the ordeal.
I'll be fine.
He has trained well. Even training can't prepare a soft paw for rain.
But the sky's clear.
I smell rain on the wind, I tell ya. That's not
The
good.
river. Rain?
What about the river?
It's
He
going
can't go
to
in there
rain.
now.
The sky is clear.
Good luck, Softpaw.
Take care.
I'll see you at dawn.
Fallen leaves.
Rock?
I can feel your surprise. It pricks my pelt like a gorse.
I'm sorry, it's just I did not expect.
I did not expect a cat could grow so ugly. A cat needs wind and sun to shine his fur, and good hunting to trim his claws. But I must stay close to our warrior ancestors, those who have taken their place beneath the earth.
And for that, we thank you.
Don't thank me. It was destiny I was bound to follow. Besides, you might not feel so grateful to me once your initiation has begun. The uncrossed lines mark the cats who went into the tunnels, but did not come out.
Which tunnel did they go into?
I cannot help you. To become a Sharpclaw, you must find your own way out. I can only send you on your way with the blessing of our ancestors.
Can you give me any advice?
Without light, you only have your instincts. Follow them, and if they are true, you will be safe.
What if they're not true?
And you will die in darkness.
I'm not going to die.
Is it raining?
The sky is clear.